Hi, my name is Anthony Limoncelli, and I'm a musician with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. When it comes to attempting your first notes on the trumpet, we want to start with our two major building blocks. Our first is our air, and the second is our vibrating surface, which for the trumpet is our lips. Our air should be moving like we're blowing out candles on a birthday cake, which is quite simple, something like this. For our lips, we want to put them in the shape of the letter M, like so they're together and touching, but not forced closed. Now we're going to put those two building blocks together, and it might sound a little bit ugly, but this is our first step to making a sound. Next, we're going to add our mouthpiece into the mix. In terms of where to put the mouthpiece on the lips, it's best to put it about 50% on your top lip and 50% on your bottom lip. Now this is not a hard and fast rule and can be a bit personal for everybody, but as long as it's not favoring one lip too much, it should be okay. Do whatever feels natural for you. You're going to make a seal against your face so there's no air leaking out of the sides, and blow that same air and buzz your lips in the same way. And finally, we add the trumpet into the mix. And now you've made your first sound on the trumpet.